When it comes to displaying your art, souvenirs from travel, photographs or anything else, glass cabinets are an essential piece of furniture to show them off. Moreover, they can hold your glasses and plates and are easy to look for without even opening the doors. Hello and welcome to IKEA 101. This time we talk about Rootstock glass door cabinet. We have a wide range of cabinets available from simple glass cabinets and metal frame one to simple storage units. You can add glass doors too. They can be coordinated with other furnitures already in the room, or they can be a standout element. This Rootstock glass door cabinet doubles up the way you display your favorite things. You can place items on the shelves and also fits things like photos to the back panel with magnets to keep their memories visible. Light plays a crucial role in a vitrine. It can help you show off the details of what's inside, especially if you have glass shelves. Additionally, interior cabinet lights bring a pleasant ambience to your room. Often being an aesthetic statement, glass cabinets should remain squeaky clean. Fingerprints and marks are quite common, especially if the cabinet is being used regularly. But a cotton cloth with some water along with neutral soap or cleaning products can do the trick for keeping your cabinet spick and span. What's more, we have a wide range of options available in store and online to suit your needs and your budget. Now it's up to you. Show off the things you cherish most while making your home enchanting and functional. See you next time. Bye.